The automobile industry relies heavily on the steel industry. The steel industry also depends on the automobile industry. In other words, automobile and steel industry are said to be interdependent. This video will give you some idea about how industries operate and take decisions regarding the production of the output. The iron and steel industry is one of the most important industries in India. The automobile industry also occupies a prominent place in the Indian economy. Consider this case. To produce steel worth 1 rupee, the steel industry requires steel worth 0.2 paisa and automobiles worth 0.7 paisa. To produce automobile worth 1 rupee, the automobile industry requires steel worth 0.5 paisa and automobiles worth 0.1 paisa. Can you relate this situation to any concept that you learned from the previous videos? The information can be expressed as an input coefficient matrix. The row entries show the commodities and the column entries show the industries. Now suppose that the economy has to export rupees 15,000 worth of steel and rupees 5,000 worth of automobiles. How much worth of steel and automobiles should be produced to meet the total demand for the commodities? Let X be the total steel production and Y be the total automobile production. Using the input coefficient matrix, these equations give the mathematical expression for the total production of steel and automobiles. This looks scientific and it also gives a clear relationship between the variables steel and automobile. You can also save time by explaining the situation in two equations instead of long verbal explanation. The first equation says that total steel is produced by using steel, automobiles, and a part of the production goes for export. The second equation says that total automobile is produced by using steel, automobile, and a part goes for export. Now we have to find the values of X and Y. Let us express the equations in matrix form. Exports may be considered as a vector of final demand. Let the vector of production be Z, matrix of coefficient be A, and vector of final demand be E. Then Z is equal to AZ plus E, or Z is equal to I minus A inverse into E. Z is a 2 by 1 column vector, A is a 2 by 2 matrix of coefficients or technology matrix, and E is a 2 by 1 column vector of exports. This equation may be solved using matrix inversion method that gives the vector of output Z. Since the values are in 1000 rupees, the amount of steel that needs to be produced is worth rupees 43,235. An amount of automobile that needs to be produced is worth rupees 39,189.